Hello again. This is my Beyond the Classroom assignment for Chapter 2 for Excel. And for this one, we have to do an exercise looking at purchasing a new car and using the worksheet to estimate the monthly payment based on the purchase price and looking at, things like the APR, the down payment, and the length of the loan, the number of years, to figure out which cars would be suitable according to the budget limitation, the budget restriction. And this is very interesting because we applied all the various functions that we learned in this chapter, such as the VLOOKUP function, the if this then that, the PMT for interest rates, etc., to calculate the monthly payments. So this was really cool, and to especially see an everyday use for Excel for something that's very practical, and it made me kind of wonder if something could be done, if I could look at my student loans and kind of analyze it in some way. But I think I don't know if I'm quite ready to go there yet. During the exercises, we practiced each of those specific functions. So for viability, this was an if this then that function. So for this one, what we had to take a look at was if this is the logic test, if this absolute figure here in D8, which is the $500 budget limitation, if it's bigger than this relative cell reference, then, pardon me, this relative cell reference here, the monthly payments, then the value would, if it was true, then it would be a test drive. If it was false, it would be not acceptable. So, and these were the results from that, using the fill handle to distribute the rest. And then the monthly payment was calculated using the PMT. So it was very, it was eye-opening, it was good. Relatively, I think after doing the exercises a few times, it was a lot easier to do this. I had some trouble with the PMT and the vertical lookup table, vertical lookup function initially, and I had to review quite a few times, but it got easier towards the end.